Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you Badam Phirni. Badam Phirni is very tasty and very delicious. It's one of the finest and quickest, easiest dessert you can make. And without wasting time, let's get started. I'm going to use a super fine almond flour. If you don't have it, then you always can get fresh almonds, soak into the water and peel the skin. Then put it into grinder. Quarter cup rice, half cup is almond flour. Sugar is always to taste, but I'm using 1/3 of the cup. Milk, I'm going to use 2 cup. Cardamom powder is elaichi powder, 1/4 teaspoon. What I have done with the rice, I soaked in the water for half an hour. I'll get the mixing bowl. I'll place the washed rice. I'm using a regular milk, so I'm going to put 1 cup into this bowl and we're going to grind it into smooth paste. We're going to use milk altogether 2 cup. I'll put the cover on. We're going to grind it into smooth paste. I'll be using a magic bullet. You can use any kind of food processor and make smooth paste. Give it like a 20 seconds. Our rice is nicely and becomes smooth paste. And let's start making Firni. Get a fry pan and we're going to start gas. And we're going to keep gas on medium. I'll bring almond flour. On medium flame, we're going to cook our almond flour. Once it's going to start changing color, then we're going to bring our rice mixture. Cooking almond flour for 3 minutes on medium gas. It's nicely cooked. It has changed the color. And now we're going to bring rice. And I'll add 1 more cup milk. Mix it well. Keep mixing. If there is any lumps, you just break it. On medium flame, now we're going to cook for 10 minutes. On medium flame, cooking for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to bring the sugar. Mix it well. Cooking our Firni for exactly 8 minutes. As you can see, it's really thickened. I'll add 1 cup milk. So altogether we have a 3 cup milk. Mix it well. We're going to cook additional 5 minutes. Cooking for exactly 15 minutes. Our Firni is nicely thickened. Now I'm going to bring cardamom powder. And we're going to mix it well. And now I'm going to bring my gas to low. Once the elaichi powder, the cardamom powder is nicely incorporated, we're going to cover it with the lid and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes on low flame, which is simmer. Another 5 minutes cooking on a simmer. I'm going to turn off the gas and I'll open it. And our Firni is all ready. Badam Phirni. And we're going to dish out. I'll get my serving bowl. Badam Phirni, and we always can garnish with more almonds. Please try it, and it's very delicious and very tasty. I hope you like this dish, and please let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. And if you like this recipe, please give a like to this video. Please share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.